Hi and welcome back to Aasai Rasai. I'm frying papadoms today, but I'm not going to be using oil. So let me show you how it's done. And this is just the basic papadom that I'm using. There are so many different flavors to it. I haven't tried everything, but I usually buy the basic one like this because that's what we use generally with our Sri Lankan food. And it adds a nice crunch with your rice and curry meal when served as a condiment. It also makes papadom curry, but that's for another time. Now this is one that I've already made. I just wanted to show you how crunchy it becomes. Now I'm going to show you how to make this without any oil in the microwave. But first, let me show you what could go wrong. If you have a plate like Corningware and you're trying to make this papadom on the plate in your microwave, it's going to burn the papadom. So let me just show you what happens. I'm going to put this in the microwave, 40 seconds on high power, and mine is a 1100 watt microwave. So if you have a more powerful one or a less powerful one, you'll have to adjust the timings accordingly. I know it's not very clear, but at least you can see a little bit of what's happening to the papadom in the microwave, and that's how it fries it without any oil. Now here's the thing though, it came out burnt, so this is because of the Corningware plate. So the easiest way to do it is just to place the papadom on the microwave turntable directly. But if you really want a plate, you could use a paper plate, not a foam plate of course, or a ceramic plate also works. But as for me, I prefer to keep the papadom directly on the turntable and just clean it before and after, and it just takes the guesswork out. Wait a few seconds for the papadom to cool and then it'll be crispy like this, really crunchy. If you want to make more than one papadom at a time, simply add 40 seconds for each additional papadom. So for 3 papadoms, the cook time is 120 seconds. Which is 1 minute and 20 seconds on the microwave. That's 120 on the keypad. So don't convert it to 2 minutes. Like don't convert the 120 seconds to 2 minutes and press 200. That's not how it works. So calculate it in seconds and not in minutes. And if you found this video to be helpful, leave a like and share it. Subscribe to Aasai Rasai to get an alert as soon as I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.